How to use Claude AI for writing better content. First, open your web browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address. In the message box, type a clear prompt describing the content you want. For example, you could write a 1,000-word blog post about healthy eating in a friendly and professional tone. The more details you include, such as your target audience, writing style, word count, and keywords, the better Claude's response will be. Once Claude generates the content, read through it carefully. If you want to make changes, simply ask Claude to rewrite specific sections, shorten the content, improve the tone, fix grammar, or optimize it for SEO. You can also upload documents or paste existing text and ask Claude to summarize, edit, or improve your writing. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for writing better content. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, writing tips, and easy tech guides.